Hello from Oldham Volkswagen. Here we have some truly breathtaking stock today in the used mini hatch 1.5 Cooper that is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen in a remarkable MoonWalk Grey finish. This sleek and stylish car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen and does include a minimum of 12 months warranty alongside flexible finance packages available. So to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, get in touch on 0161 825 8520. More than happy to provide more information. And this video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment going through some features and functions. As you can see, the car has tons of upgrades thanks to the Cooper Works BodyKit, such as these 18-inch alloy wheels and the black housing wing mirrors that do provide a really sleek style to the car. As you can see, the car looks absolutely remarkable, and when we make our way into the back of the car, you'll notice a well-maintained interior upholstery. We also have the ISO fixed point in the back for rear child seats, making this a brilliant little family car as well, and rear passengers can enjoy the cup holder. Now, thanks to that Cooper Works BodyKit, you can see you have that sleeker exterior. You've got the wider body kit on there as well, so it looks absolutely remarkable. And as we access the boot directly, you'll notice you have a fairly spacious boot size. It's quite deep, so you can fit taller items in. For example, if you had a few suitcases, they would fit inside there with ease. Now, as we make our way all the way around, you'll see the sleek and stylish colour stands out in all occasions. And as we access the driver's side directly, here you'll see you gain access to the sleek interior. You have the access to the dashboard display, but we'll touch on this a little bit later. And you also have manual air conditioning in there as well. And as you can see, we have the cloth firework carbon black interior upholstery, which works hand in hand to create a really stylish driving experience. So thanks for watching the 360 walk around of this used Mini Cooper. If you would like to stick around, we're going inside the car and taking a look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside the car. As you can see, the car does access features like the automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers as well, offering a much more safer driving experience, ensuring that they are on at the correct times. We then have the central locking wing mirror and window controls all on the driver's door handle, easy to access on the go. Using the push start button, the car roars into life as all the displays activate, and now we gain access to the dashboard display. Here you can see you can show key information whilst on the move, like your travelling information. Making our way to the infotainment screen, there's tons of options to choose from. You can see the upgraded visual boost radio, which is the ambient lighting around the actual center console. You can access features like your telephone to make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth. This fantastic feature is safe as you don't need to touch your phone whilst driving, making it a much more safer experience. When going into our radio controls, here you can see you can access a wide range of stations to keep yourself entertained. Super easy to move around as well. As you can see, you've got your DAB, FM, AM station list to choose from, so you're absolutely spoiled for choice on every driving occasion to keep you and your passengers entertained whilst on the move. Now, if we do go into our multimedia controls, here you can notice that you can also listen to music from your phone directly, so you can keep yourself entertained with apps like Spotify and Apple Music from your phone. So once again, thanks for watching. This has been the used mini hatch 1.5 Cooper, currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. That does include a minimum of 12 months warranty alongside flexible finance packages available. To get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, get in touch on 0161 825 8520. More than happy to provide more information on this vehicle.